Hey there, welcome back. My name is Chelsea J. I'm a career and leadership coach and the founder of Season and Growing. I just wanted to hop on today to record a quick video about a question that I keep getting asked over and over and over again, and it literally just hit my inbox today. So we are going to talk a little bit about job hopping. And shameless plug, I have a whole course all about career success and job hunting and answering interview questions as a job hopper. One of the questions I got today was, okay, how do I answer these questions in interviews when it comes to justifying stability? And this is a wonderful question. It's a great concern. And sometimes it's brought up, but most of the time it's not. But it's okay. We're going to talk about it today. I want to first put out a disclaimer saying, in no way am I telling you, oh, you need to be a job hopper for your entire career, and yes, it's okay to continuously hop from place to place every few months. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I am talking to the professional who, after 1 or 2 years, realizes, hey, this is not a good fit for me, or the environment is off, or I don't have a supportive boss, or maybe I was duped and I was told that I was going to be doing this in a position, but I'm actually doing something else. In those cases, it is okay to leave and find a better fit. And nowadays, with employers behaving the way that they do, with toxic work environments, limited amounts of room for growth, and so much more, it's easily understandable why people are leaving and trying to find better for themselves. And I don't think employers should fault you for that. When I was in hiring positions, I never did. I interviewed people if they had great qualifications because I wanted to hear their stories and reasoning behind it. And on top of that, I don't want you to hold any shame or guilt within yourself. Okay, so now let's talk about, how do I justify leaving from one environment to another? In an interview, here's the thing, and just in life in general, when it comes to your career and the choices that you make, I want you to be able to confidently own your story. You made those decisions for a reason. Whether it was a bad boss, a toxic work environment, no room to grow, you know that within yourself. So don't let anybody shame you or make you feel bad about making a decision that benefited you. Now, whenever you are in front of a hiring manager and someone who is questioning, why did you make these decisions? Why did you only stay here for a year or two? Keep it positive and keep the focus on the role at hand, and also own your story. You can say something like, hey, that was a great observation and a wonderful question, and I'm excited that I get to share a little bit more of my journey with you. So here's an example. If the reason that you chose to move on was due to a limited amount of growth opportunities, focus on the why, and then talk about why you're looking forward to working for the company that you're interviewing for. You can say something as simple as, hey, one of the things that I'm really passionate about is being able to continuously grow and gain new skills and become a better professional, not only for myself, but for my employer as well. And one of the things that I've seen about your company is that you all promote internal and personal and professional growth. And that's an organization that I want to be a part of. Okay, now here's another example. Say that leadership was poor in the last place that you were at. Don't say that, don't badmouth them, but just say, you know what, I really value leaders with integrity and clear communication and those who inspire and support their staff. When I met with individuals who work at your company, that's one thing that they raved about, and that's what I want to be a part of. And bonus here, if you have aspirations of being a leader, you can talk about how you want to be molded by people who are doing the work and doing an amazing job at the work. See, there's always a way that you can turn things around, make it positive, and focus on the current role at hand. I promise you, this is not something that I want you to stress out about. Most of the time in these interviews, a lot of employers don't even ask, because they're so used to seeing professionals who are moving from one place to the other. Sometimes they don't even ask. Honestly, in as many interviews as I've been in and ones that I've conducted, I've only been asked maybe 2 or 3 times. I told my why and what I was looking forward to, and that was it. That was all it. And I want to say this, if you are in an interview and you notice that it is going south and you find that the interviewer is shaming you, blaming you, or making you feel bad about your decisions, what is that? I don't have it with me, but pretend I'm waving a red flag, because that right there, my friend, is a major red flag. And that just means that you don't need to work for that company and they don't deserve you. So how about that? Okay, I hope that this video answered some of your questions. Again, I have a whole course on on job search success for job hoppers, and I'll make sure to leave a link below to that. And it goes over how to answer any question that you can think of. It talks about how you can avoid red flags in interviews and while reading job descriptions as well. Trust me, as a toxic workplace survivor myself, I get it, okay? All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this. And if you are looking to level up your career and make your next step and you want a partner in helping you achieve those goals, make sure to visit www.seasonandgrowing.com and checking out my programs. I have a couple signature programs, as well as interview coaching, as well as one-on-one coaching that is unique to you, because there is no one size fits all method. Jeez, that's what happens when I don't edit these videos. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, feedback, comments, drop it below. And yeah, I am looking forward to the next video. So I will see you later. Bye.